The lid will eventually close completely all the way. I don't know when, but it's not a big deal to me. You can actually sit on it and it will shut completely. So there.
Here's an honest review of this wooden storage bench. It does not come assembled. You'll have to assemble it yourself, but it's not difficult to do at all. It's got handles on both ends, really solid. The hinges are good quality, and it's got a lot of space. That squeaking is not the bench. That's my wooden floor.
So we purchased this in order to have a toy chest in my daughter's room, and I absolutely love it. It has the nicest hinges, and it literally holds up, and it fits so many toys in there. Such a great buy and such an easy build.
No.